Hey TikTokers, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably itching to go live on TikTok but don't have the 1,000 followers yet. No worries, we have got a simple trick to help you unlock TikTok live access without hitting that follower milestone. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first, grab your phone and open TikTok. Then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the hamburger menu in the upper right corner to access your account settings. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down. Then go to Report a Problem. Here you will find several options and we need the live one. Then go to Hosting Live. Now, let's go to the other hosting live issues. Here, TikTok will ask you, is your problem resolved? We will say no. Then go to Need More Help. Here you can see the TikTok help desk and you have to ask the question that you are searching for. As you can see, I have written a message and TikTok has replied me. So it is, hello TikTok, I do not have the live option on my account. Can you please enable the live feature so I can go live on my profile as soon as possible? So here you can see TikTok gave me an answer and with an option I cannot start a live. So I went to it. And as you can see, I'm in an Asian region. In my country, it's the live option is not available yet. But if you're from the other region, then the TikTok will give you answers like my live is banned, how to start a device camera live, or I don't have the live option. These three options will be given by TikTok and you have to point to the I don't have the live options. Then the TikTok will enable your live options within not more than 24 to 72 hours. So yeah, that's for today. See you next time.